Hey guys! Today I will be unboxing the new Bubble Super Cuties Trial Kit. Oh my god, this packaging is super cute. First we have the Morning Rays Brightening Eye Cream. It's great for dark circles. Next we have the Overnight Hydrating Sleep Mask, which is great for maximum hydration. Next we have the iconic Slam Dunk Moisturizer, but unfortunately it doesn't have the usual pump. But that's okay because we have the iconic Cloud Surf Water Cream Moisturizer. Next up is the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Now we have the Daydream Texture Serum, which can also be used as a toner, and it has vitamin C and niacinamide. That completes the review of the skincare products, but I have something else to show you. Once you take out the packaging, you can use this as a reusable bag for your new products. Once I filled up my new bag, I realized that there was even space for my Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. Thanks for watching. Bye!